Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name's Cheryl and this channel is all about me and my journey to becoming a better artist and creator. So I've got ambitions to be a professional full-time illustrator, artist, miniaturist, all of those things. But yeah, I'm very far away from achieving that goal at the moment, mainly because I lack most of the fundamental skills to actually do those roles. So today's video is a project that I've been planning for ages, or wanting to do for ages, just haven't got around to doing it. So this guy here, let's get the camera focused. So this guy here is called Clarence. Do you know what? I'll just pop some photos up. The camera is not loving him today, is it? So his name's Clarence anyway. The shell I found in my garden, just a random plastic shell in the flower bed, as you do. So I thought I'd do something with it. So I painted it with nail polish and made a little needle felted clam and called him Clarence. So yeah, that's him. I did that a few months ago now, but I've been meaning to make him a home, because right now he just sits on a shelf behind me up there and I feel like he needs his own space, you know? So this week's video is going to be, I've bought these little glass dome hanging terrarium things, so we're going to make him a home in here. So yeah, that's the plan. Now what I wanted to do, like a beach scene, so have like some trees kind of at the back and then have some sand and some maybe a little bit of water, so a few waves crashing on the sand. And it's quite a small space, so I'm not going to have a huge amount of water. The issue I have is I don't have a huge amount of supplies. So to do water, for example, like most people would use something like resin. Don't have any resin. And sand as well. I don't have any sand basing material. So I've got like other flocking and stuff. And I've got some other bits and pieces. So I'll show you now what I do have. So those are the things I do have to use, and the other thing I have is absolutely no idea what I'm doing. So this is going to be fun. So yeah, let's crack on and we'll see what we can come up with. See you in a bit. So I think the best thing to do to start with would be to do a few experiments. Because I don't want to ruin my glass bauble. So I've got some little pots here. So I'm just going to have a little play around with some of these bits and see what I can come up with. Right, so experiment number one is for the waves and water on the beach. So here is some PVA being poured into a pot, riveting stuff. And then we've got some green ink going in there. So I'm using ink because it's more watery. I had a really intelligent thing to say then. That went really wrong. So yeah, it's basically more, it is literally more watery. So acrylic paint, for example, would give more of an opaque finish, and I need it to be more transparent or translucent. There we go. Those were the words I was trying to say. Right, now, I know there are going to be a lot of you shouting at your screens right now because super glue and PVA do not make water, as we will find out. Holy shit. Yeah, I don't think super glue is going to be an option. Wow. Right, so that humiliation's over with. Let's move on. So what have we got here then? So that looks like some cork going in there. Yeah, okay, now we're knocking everything over. Yeah, so we've basically moved on to basing. This is, yeah, this is going to get a bit boring now really, isn't it? Just watching me put things in pots. So let's skip this forward and I'll show you the finished experiments and explain what I did and how we got there, and yeah, move on. Okay, so in here we have, this one is the first one I did. So that's the one you've just seen me making in the video. So this is the decorator's cork, flocking and some acrylic paint, white acrylic paint and ink, yellow ink. So yeah, I wasn't massively keen on this, so I want more like kind of a flat sandy texture. So this is kind of more rocky, I think. This might make a good kind of rock texture, maybe something like that, but yeah, not so good for the sand. So the next one I did was this one. So this was, I had a little bit of this mixture left in the pot, and then I added some PVA glue and some more flocking. Did I? No, I didn't bother adding any more paint because I was just trying to get the texture. So yeah, that's that one. And then this one was watered down decorator's cork with loads of flocking. Can't remember if I put PVA in it now because I didn't actually record this bit. So yeah, I can't remember if there's PVA in it. So it's basically a toss-up between these two. That was basically that with more water in. So it's kind of a toss-up between these two. This one I prefer the texture on, but I was concerned about the water content. So I've decided to go for something a bit more like this. And I've kind of taken all of these together and made a whole new mixture. So I will show you that in a bit. But first we're going to take a little trip to my garden. Hi, welcome to my garden. So I decided in the bottom of the terrarium I wanted some like pebbles and stuff. So I've come out to my garden armed with a cat scoop, clean, I promise, and a sievie thing, tea strainer maybe, icing sugar dusting device. They're in the kitchen drawer. So yeah, we're gonna have a go at trying to scavenge some stones and things from my garden, and yeah, okay. Ingrid. Oh. Where did we go? Yeah. Oh my god, you guys, I am such an idiot. I've just got back from walking the dog and look what I've seen all the way up my path. Lots and lots of lovely gravel, nice clean gravel. There just aren't words really, are there? Right, I'm going to do something really annoying now, and I'm going to end the video here. Basically, I've kind of reached a bit of a crossroads in the project. I've got a bit of a dilemma on my hands. So my original plan was to kind of have Clarence like on the beach, maybe with a little friend, having some cocktails, just set a little scene and have like some water, some waves at the front as well. The problem is I got a bit carried away with the scenery at the back. So now I don't have space to do all the things that I had planned. This is a common theme in my life. Generally, I get carried away and then things go wrong. So really, I just really want to get this video done and out. It's been literally months since I posted my first video, and this project has taken me weeks to do already. It took ages for the base to dry, and then I kind of got bored and wandered off and came back to it and then got bored again, and yeah, and I really want to start posting regular videos. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here. I would love any ideas, comments on how you think I should finish the project, because I really want him to have a friend, and I do really want to do the water at the front as well. I feel like he's a clam. He lives on the beach, you know. Right now it looks like he's kind of in a forest. So yeah, I definitely want some water, and I had a really cool idea for how to do the waves as well when I had that little mishap with the super glue and the PVA. It did kind of get some ideas going for how I could do the waves. So yeah, I kind of really want to do that, but I just don't know if I'm going to have the room to do it. So yeah, I'm going to have a little think. If you've got any ideas, let me know. And yeah, I'll do a really quick video at some point to show you what I come up with. Basically, I've just got so many other projects and things that I want to do for the channel as well, and I'm so excited about things, and I just want to get this done, get a video out, and yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you've got any ideas or tips or anything. Just let me know, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.